currently going back to Grange right now. We are on the famous dirt road going into the track. Somebody's hosting a smaller event today for somebody's birthday or something like that. I'm not even really sure who these people are, but I heard about it, so I'm rolling into Grange. Supposedly it's only 40 bucks to drive, so I'm gonna go ahead and run that. We got tires already mounted from Vegas, and we got the Z on a trailer. So if you guys didn't know, I live like 10 minutes away from Grange, so if there's an event, I'm probably gonna hit it. We definitely have to trailer the car every time, even though I live so close because of this dirt road. Not only that, they'll straight up take my Z from me. But yeah, today's gonna be a sick day, so let's get it.
Suicide when I ride, bitch, scarecrow, shot it, hoes up with no PI, kill when I'm sleepy, hollow, that mystic motherfucker, that's addicted to prescriptions, Xanax for the panic, mental problems, you get added, multi-million own business, you just signed a deal, right, 3 years past, still broken, you ain't paid up, dollars I ain't touched yet, burning for the fuck of it, infamous lunatic, you just so big, cut the wood to death. Raised where the savage live straight out the death pit to keep alive the 666.
Ruby's such a misfit. Hollywood, Babylon, can't resist it. Fuck a cop, bitch, I'm ducking all these piglets. 7 War, be my motherfucking district. Yeah, I still got my motherfucking wrist slit. Bleeding like a piss, bitch, screaming I'm a hit list. After licking hits and acid, they can fucking split lips. Big split, just a fucking tip, bitch. Fucking just a bitch, blue bitch. Sick distorted powder, I'ma ditch this. 135, 20s, sick, testing my monies. Now I'm a dick quick, find me a dick bitch. Dick grip, dick spit, and the thick kids.
What up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning into another video. I know this one was short, but we do have some interesting stuff going on with the Z this weekend. So if you guys are interested, you know, definitely smash that subscribe button to see what we're dropping. We are going to be vinyl wrapping the car this week. I did end up picking up some new front fenders, which is going to be the Rocket Bunny fronts, which are like 50 millimeters, so that's going to be sick. And then we also had the 15 millimeter rear crown carbon, which is also going on. I also did end up picking up a roll of wrap, which is going to be sick because my car is going to finally be one color. But yeah, everything's looking good so far. I already got the rear chopped up because I already ran over fenders before. So that's not a problem. We already got some rivets. We'll go ahead and bolt that on. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and end up chopping the front fenders and then putting on those wide ones. So that's going to be sick. And like I said, the car is going to finally be one color. So like I said, this weekend I'm going to go ahead and install those front fenders. The rear fenders just bolt right on. But if you guys are interested in seeing that, definitely subscribe down below. And if you guys enjoyed the drifting, definitely smash that like button. But that is it for now. I will see you guys this weekend. Thank you for watching the video, and peace out. Lates.